How's your job going?
You know, spend my time trying to make a difference. I know how it sounds.
You gotta make a difference. You ain't gonna make a fucking difference. Forget about that. Your job, out-monster the monster, and get home at the end of the night.
Cause once he gets to the pen, they won't provide the little pig with the bulletproof vest to protect him from some mad brother who he shot in the chest, a place under